Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for beginner English listeners. Today, I want to talk to you about the weather. The weather lately in my city has been very windy and also very sunny. A combination of windy and sunny. But I don't like windy weather. In fact, windy weather is my least favorite type of weather. In my city, the wind blows all the dust and dirt, and I breathe it and cough because it's too much dirt in the air. That's why I don't like windy weather in my city. I do like sunny weather because I love feeling warm and wearing short sleeve shirts. I don't like wearing big coats or warm gloves or even hats to keep me warm. I prefer to wear shorts and shirts and tank tops outside. What type of weather is your least favorite and why? What type of weather is your most favorite and why? Right now, it is raining outside. There is thunder and lightning, and it makes me feel comfortable, but also a little bit scared. I feel comfortable because the noise of the rain is very nice to hear. But scared because the sound of the thunder is not very nice to hear. What do you think? Do you like it when it rains?